Assalamualaikum. The title Blended Learning is an alternative learning model post COVID-19. We experiments of teaching mathematics based of character building in elementary school students. Most of the students runs the words 80% are affected by COVID-19. They cannot come to school because there is no school organizing face-to-face learning. UNESCO continues observe and communicates with educators and policy makers globally with a countermeasure to invest in education today. And Fatty, the COVID-19 pandemic is a new challenge for the education system. School must be able to improve online learning capacity by using information communication technology, communication technology. The objective of this study is to conduct an experimental study to test the feasibility of blended learning model to be as in mathematical that can develop the independent character of elementary school. The research was conducted in elementary school because the introduction of ICT and character building should start at an early age or as early as elementary school students. In addition, blended learning suits is mathematical in connection with the current situation, especially in Indonesia. Mathematics lessons are still considered the most difficult subject for most elementary school students to understand. Compared to other subjects, thus there is a need for the development of learning model that can improve the understanding of elementary school students, especially in mathematics lessons. This study as quantitative method of pre-experiment to a single group designed with pretest-posttest. The stage in the study consists literature review, formulating high pretest, selecting and group of subject for sample, conducting T1 pretest, giving assessment, conducting T2 post-test, improvement test with an gain, and hypothesis test with test. Literature review and aims to find mathematical learning model with blended learning that codes with independent character. The study population was all students of Nurul Hidayah Elementary School, Indonesia. The sample was 20 people from grades 4. The subject in this experiment was mathematics with the learning material fraction. At the beginning of the meeting, the teacher gave a pretest to the student. The question were what's fraction learning material in mathematics. The pretest result, the mastery of fraction learning material, if mastery mostly 60%. Words in low level of master category. This is very possible because the student had never refused fraction learning material in detail. However, 3% is in the high category of the 9% is in intermediate category. This is also possible because before being in the 4 grades, they had received in induction to fraction based of the previous that has been carried out. It called the codes that the learning material fraction in 4 grade had not been mastered in by students. Face-to-face learning activity that had been carried out. Is this study where the process of interaction between teacher and the elementary school student in grade home? The learning was carried on the visual. The teacher carried out systematic teaching in section. Yes, the learning method of lecture, discussion, and question and answer. After finishing learning mathematics well, the blended learning model, the process was carried out and this result and it can be concluded from grade student Tangerang Indonesia Elementary School had mastered the learning fraction in mathematics subject. As in blended learning model, my student with a high level of study, 85% are in the high category. Only a small 0% that the level mastery is the low and intermediate level. That much of the invested student mastery of teaching media in intermediate category, where the small part 20 is in the high and low category of calculation result, which the t-test if the experience that from the test was result the variable t with the significance no zero. Thus, the blended learning model in learning mathematics affects the baseline in learning Malaysia for elementary school students in this fourth grade of Nurul Hidayah Elementary School in Tangerang, Indonesia. Online in post-very influenced by a learning infrastructure that's the fact erasing the in online learning for large percent the students have difficulties because their internet connection is not good. Therefore, to the 12, the blended learning model to achieve the maximum learning objective. The upper value of the learning infrastructure is very important. In addition to the school, Affiliation is providing a rich online learning facility. Teacher must be skilled on capable at running in ICT system. Sign the blended learning model and implemented of school and come to all the parents is very important to service their children, especially for elementary school students. Therefore, teacher and parent are very important to communicate, give each other information about student activity during the learning process. Gradually, gradually the children are directed to that they are accustomed to learn independent are not depend rather including the parent. Thus, the independent character of student will develop of impact their mathematics learning process rather two-bladed learning model. Conclusion, blended learning of the us as an as a segmented alternative model of learning in primary school, especially for teachers to us in teaching mathematics. The result of experiment of students in one of the elementary school illustrated that their learning course improves the mastery of mathematics material that had an impact on student independent character building. Thank you.